y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time. Make sure you go down and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so you can see when all my new videos do come up. So you can see from the title what we're going to be doing today is, yes, a battle between the Lotta Body Wrap Me Foaming Mousse and the Doux Mousse Depth Texture Foam. Now, if you did watch my last video, you saw that I did a wash and go with the Mousse Depth Texture Foam, and you know that what I was always using before was this Lotta Body Wrap Me Foaming Mousse. And when I used this, I just felt like it was just so much better than this. So today I'm gonna do a comparison video to see if, you know, if it was just all in my head, or like, does it really work better? So like, this is the first time in a while that I've parted my hair down the middle. I thought it would be easier to, you know, be able to see the comparison when they parted it down the middle, and I'm kind of nervous because, like I said, I love like my side parts. So yeah, I'm nervous to see how this is gonna turn out. If you saw my video from like last year, from when I did my wash and goes, like, it was like horrible. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and start on this side, and I'm gonna start with the Lotta Body Wrap Me Foaming Mousse. Okay, so I'm gonna put that up. And put this up. Okay, and yeah, I am starting with the, I forgot if I said that or not, the Lotta Body. And then today, I'm just not even gonna shingle or anything. Just gonna work it through. And I'm also going to put the gel, extreme wet line gel, or whatever you call it, on top, so we can get this real good comparison. And I'm gonna just put it right on top. Like, I'm doing it like the exact same way I always do, except I'm just trying to compare the two. That's it. Cause like today, I don't even feel like shingling. It's like shingling takes up like so much time. Like, when you just put your hair like in these sections, it's like it just goes by so much quicker. Or you do your hair, can do your hair so much quicker. So yeah, I'm just gonna do it like I always do, and then I'll just come back with the end results. Oh yeah, this is like my first time doing the Lotta Body on camera, so like, what do y'all think so far? If you saw the last video, like, go ahead and comment already, like, if you see if it looks better or if it looks worse, like as far as how defined the curls are. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my hair like I do as normal, and then I will just come back when I'm about to go to the other side so we can see how everything is doing. Okay, so we finished with the first side. Now I'm about to go to the other side. So yeah, that is this side, and this is about to be this side. So yeah, I think everything over here is looking like pretty good so far though. Like I think my curls look, you know, pretty defined and pretty frizz free. So yeah, it's pretty good so far. But you know, like I said, I've always liked this and always used this. It's just like this one is new for me, and last time it worked pretty good. So let's see what happens. So yep, here we go. Okay, so at this point, I'm finished. Like, tell me what y'all think so far. Like, of course, my hair is wet right now, but I think this side is looking pretty good and defined, and this side is also looking pretty good and defined. Of course, it's more wet than this side. That's why it is a more noticeable difference right now. But right now, I'm just going to put some edge control on my edges, and then when my hair is dry, I'll be coming back. Alright y'all, so this is my hair completely dry. As you can see, there is a difference from this side and this side. If you remember, this was the Lotta body side and this is the Doux side. So as you can see, this side is a little bit more bigger and this side is like a little bit more flat, but the curls on both sides look really good, shiny and defined. And the middle part, I really do like the middle part. I was nervous about the middle part, but I think it looks really good. So yeah, both of the products work really well. I guess maybe if you want like a more big wash and go, then go with the Lotta Body. And if you want like a more, I guess if you want like a more flat wash and go, then go with the Doux. But if you did just went ahead and went with the Doux, you could always just pick it out if it did come out more flat like this side. But yeah, both of them work really well. I like the results on both sides. So I don't know, I might just, I don't know, just use both of them. Like the Doux is like, I think $15, and the Lotta Body is maybe like $5 or $6. I might be lying, I can't even remember, because it lasts, you know, a long time. So I can't even remember. I can't even remember how much I paid for it, but it wasn't $15. But for $15, I really do think this is worth it, because it works really well as this one. Like, I think, like, as my curls were drying last night, I did notice that these looked a little bit more defined than the ones on this side. And that could be that maybe the Doux just has a little bit more hold than the Lotta Body does. But yeah, I hope you like the results. Let me know what you think in the comments, and let me know which one you use. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.